Sleepy Hollow, long, long ago, tiptoed Ichabod Crane, nervously slow. For he'd heard the dreadful legend that townsfolk told of a Halloween spirit.
Down the street. Oh, I love it! Us two! And yours too! Who surprise us? Who will show? It's the fun we never know.
Hey! Let's go! Come on!
Hello there. I am the master of light.
I'm the soul in the sky. On the spirits of it's Halloween, everybody. Let us scream, yeah, it's Halloween. It's Halloween, everybody. It's Halloween, get a scream, it's Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, winter lazy, something strange. Come with us and you will see the soft on Halloween. This is Halloween, pumpkin scream to the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat. The neighbors on the night, it's our town, everybody scream in this town of Halloween.
It's Halloween! Isn't it terrible? Everything's so slimy and gloomy.
Come on.
Really a Halloween movie? Hello, little monsters. And looking so scary. How charming. Now, who's ready for some chills and thrills? I know I am. After all, I am the Pumpkin King. And this, my friend, is Halloween. Join the screaming wave. Aren't you dying to join them?
From the mansion on the hill, shrieks of laughter break the still.
Ghosts only appear when the candles are flickering, you know.
Foolish, speak yourself away. Kicks your legs together.
Do you sense a disquieting metamorphosis?
Just love is rock and shake. never ever leave.
You ready for a change? Let me work my magic.
Don't begin to see the sun. Step up to my table. Put your mind at ease. If you relax, it will enable me to do anything.
Only tricks up my sleeve.
I can read your future. I can change it from song to I can deep into your heart, so make your wildest dreams come true. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? You're changing, you're changing, you're changing around.
You're changing.
Come on, Ursula. Woo!
It's Halloween again.
You poor, unfortunate souls.
Hi.
Just like Ariel. Lava is very annoying. I'm just teasing you, adorable. I love you so much. I see a strong, confident, beautiful young lady. I love you too. Great. Now I'm the bad guy. You! Yes, you there! What are you wearing? I simply must have it! Who's seen the puppet? Have you?